In a bamboo forest near a mountainside, there lived a panda called Penny. Penny the panda was very happy living in the bamboo forest with her friends. Every day, they would play a game of hide and seek. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come. Penny's friends are hiding in the forest. Can we find them? I found you, bear. There you are, giraffe. After a day of playing hide and seek, Penny was starving. She reached into her backpack for food, but realized that she forgot to pack everyone's lunches. Oh no! What shall we do? Let's make some vegetables for Penny and her friends. Penny would like a broccoli, Giraffe would like a carrot, and Bear would like purple cabbage. Let's make these vegetables. Penny's broccoli goes first. Next, we make Giraffe's carrot. And finally, we make Bear's purple cabbage. Penny and her friends saw all the mouth-watering vegetables and immediately gobbled them up. They cannot wait to play another game of hide and seek tomorrow.